Well, obviously, we've got a double bow shock going on. It's almost busting out total. Looks like we still got a planet behind us, though, catching that solar wind. Um, this is definitely not caused by CERN. Only an idiot would believe that. This is caused by something well outside of our fucking influence. Jesse, BP Earthwatch, keeps telling people that CERN is doing this. This has been going on for fucking several years and progressing. It's time stamped. If anybody's telling you this is a new thing or this is what's starting the fires around the globe, they're obviously a liar. Alaska, 1 month, 10,000 acres. That's how all of this is. It's over a month old. This has been going on for a while. We've documented it and made several videos. BP Earthwatch is very aware. See, BP got compromised years ago by the government, and he takes a check from them to lie to you for money. Then you go and praise him and give him money for his lies. Do you see how that works? We've been over here documenting this for years. And Jesse has never said a fucking word about it until just recently. He knows what's going on. He's been told. He's been shown. And he's been compromised. He's a fucking paid liar. Period. The quakes are beginning to uptick. Higher magnitudes. Quite diverse. Your volcanoes are getting pissed. Did you know the frozen tundra in Siberia is on fire? 4 times the size of Texas is this fucking fire over here, people. 4 times the size of the state of Texas in Siberia is burning. And it's not from CERN. See all these? These are from a month ago, 2 months ago, fucking 2 months ago, working on fucking 3 months ago, where the globe is on fire. And we're going, oh, fires burn homes. Fires, 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 4 winds unleashed. This is when it began, 3 months ago.
Oh, because all the links you're going to find are proving me right, folks.
NASA says the Earth's axis shifted.
Most atmosphere on the planet. See this? That's your polar vortex, all right. There's 4 winds blowing here, and it's definitely not a high pressure, low pressure thing. It's magnets. We have clockwise swirls, counterclockwise swirls going on all over the place. From way up there to way down here where we're at. It looks like one of those damn perfect storm movies where you got circular motions everywhere.
3 months later, these are all in the same exact spot today.
It's been breaking out every day across the globe.
Same exact spot today. All of these big ass storms are still sitting there.
Yes. Our sun, of course, putting out 15 and 16 UV up in here.
It's up to 25 now.
That's really high.
And it's not because of CERN.
As it passes by, new fires ignite across our globe. South Asia, India.
Oh, yeah, 3 months ago, you
South
pig.
America,
God damn it, Jesse.
Mexico.
Stop misleading people to their death.
U.S.
You just saw my video of the uppermost atmosphere. The polar vortex overtook our planet this year, like on steroids. Coriolis effect dictates that the northern hemisphere has counterclockwise swirls, not a clockwise rotation. That is your polar vortex, looking you square in the eye, and it goes down to a second layer now. Also another clockwise rotation. Now your jet stream. Keep an eye on Earth's and these guys over here. Watch. Boom. They're right on your surface. All of this right on your surface. Folks, we are being compressed. There are no buffer zones between our atmospheres anymore. It's direct pressure. This has been causing rogue fucking waves going into Spain. It's not getting any better. It's getting worse. And the problem is, at this point, people are starting to notice, and people that have been compromised are beginning to make up lies about CERN doing this. CERN, man, has nothing to do with this. NASA claimed our axis shifted. They blamed melting glaciers. Well, in Bible canon, the original books, it says when the sister system, in other words, there's other suns, gets near, Earth's axis shifts, making the sky roll. Hence, your moon is doing new tricks. From rise to set, it's rolling 180 degrees. From wax at rise to wane at set. You have to look at it at rise and then look at it at set, and you will see I am not insane. We're rolling like this now. Period. It is a flashlight and a fucking tennis ball laying on a table with you doing circles beside it. You flipping anything? No. Now, bend over, touch your toes, because you're going from north to south on the planet. That's how we navigated for centuries with the tilt of that moon up and down the planet. We couldn't go east to west because it never changed. We didn't know where we were at going east and west because the moon doesn't change position. It only changes position when you go from north to south on the planet in respect to the ecliptic. Get it? I'm offering you something you can verify. I'm not telling you to believe my words like every other goddamn channel on the planet. I give you something to verify. I've been telling people Bill Gates' partner, lesser known, more influential, Derek Bros, CEO, Microsoft International, fucking vice president of Paramount Pictures. He's in Viacom. He consults for all of these companies out of a fucking company in Oregon. He's been following me around, sending fucking agents to my house, bothering me because he's working for the government, just like Jesse, just like fucking everybody else on this fucking forum. His general, Caddy Joe Willie. Y'all watching BP or fucking Global Witness? You know this lady. That's his general. She couldn't sleep because she owed me the biggest apology in the world. Derek Bros beat his wife and ran to Mexico. He tried to strangle her to death. This lady here hates me. I knew she wasn't. Look, Derek's wife was his handler, sent to him by, I would imagine, the federal government, because Derek gave away fucking troop movements during wartime and got his ass put in the desert on some sort of fucking probation. He got out of hand and tried to fucking make my life hell, and I exposed him and his entire network. Then his old lady showed up. When they met, I could see the body language. I was like, oh my God, that's his handler. His very last video of him on that four-way fucking thing, he and the homegirl did.
You're not gonna believe.
It was here. He took it down. That's funny. Anyway, any of these that he and this lady are in together, you can see the body language. They don't like each other. He is afraid of her. Every time she oh, here it is. Here it is. This is it.
witnesses. Then you also have...
This is another thing. Listen to the voice.
So people think, oh, Jesus is going to... Technology, we're using it now. But I think...
BP Earthwatch is one of his minions. Are you getting the picture? This man is a mogul, and he controls half the fucking channels on YouTube, including BP Earthwatch. And if you watch this fucking video all the way through to where they're fucking sitting here, boy, every time she touches him, he jumps. He's sitting here, look, he's facing away from her. She is more aware of his motions than he is. This is his handler. He tried to strangle her to death and ran to Mexico. He tried to strangle this lady to death and run to Mexico like a little bitch. A little bitch-ass brat fucking billionaire that was born into the Israeli Mossad and has had his life handed to him. He fucked it up. His own fault. Now he's running from the feds. And old Jesse, his employee, is out here lying to you. There's some older videos on my channel. This here is my BitChute channel. This has an awful lot more information on it than my fucking YouTube channel that you're watching. However, on this YouTube channel, in the older videos, you might want to go back and start looking at what we've found. I would come over here, start at the oldest videos, and work your way back up. You're going to find quite a lot of information that BP and Derek aren't going to give you. They want you dead. They take a check to lie to you. Keep clapping your hands for them. See what happens. You're not going to like the results.